This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start here by looking at the S&P 500. Now, yesterday was very volatile. Initially, we rallied 2%, and then later on in the trading session, we actually gave back all of our gains, and we briefly traded in negative territory. And this was due to the fact we heard reports that a stray missile had hit Poland. Now, countries are scrambling together, especially at the G7 nations, to try and identify where this missile is from. And I've just read a report a few moments ago that Biden has actually come out and said that it's very likely that it's not a Russian missile. Now, whether that's true or not, I'm sure that we'll find out more as time goes on. But I don't think that this is a massive threat to the markets. Now, of course, the volatility has come because Joe Biden's previously said that NATO will protect all NATO nations with every single inch of their territory. And of course, if a missile has now just hit Poland, that is an attack, and an attack on NATO is an attack on all. So that's why, of course, it was a very scary moment yesterday. But I don't believe that NATO are willing to potentially enter into a nuclear war due to a stray missile that has hit Poland. And that's even if it is a Russian missile. It could be one that was fired from Ukraine. So still a lot of investigating going on, but I feel like the markets will just continue to chop higher here. We're still trading up at that 200-day EMA up around 4,000. I feel like the next target is going to be 4,075. That's where the 200-day moving average is, and then I think that there's even a potential as we go into the latter end of this year that we could go and test this downtrend that we've been trading in for some time, because that's what we've seen in other assets such as the Dow, for example. In fact, we've even broken above it. So that's what I would be looking for here for the S&P 500. The MACD line is clearly showing that we are in a very clear uptrend at this moment in time. The RSI is nowhere near considered to be overbought just yet. So all indicators and signals point to higher gains in the coming days and weeks here for the S&P 500, providing there aren't any fundamental shocks similar to what we heard yesterday.